In this example, we'll look at the law of cosines and how to utilize it to find a missing side when you are given two sides and the angle in between. So if you notice up above, we've got it in terms of a, b, and c. And in this case, I did b squared equals a squared plus c squared minus 2ac cosine of b. What that really boils down to is we need two sides, a and c, and we need the angle in between those two sides, which is angle b. And if we have those three things, we are able to find the length of the side across from that angle. So if you look at the example we have right here, I've got a side, another side, and the angle in between, which enables me to find the side across from that. So let's look at that setup. So here I've utilized the equation for the law of cosines with the numbers that I have in this particular example. So I have my two sides, 10 and 18, squared and added together, and then I subtract 2 times each side times the cosine of 58. From here, it's important to be careful to utilize your order of operations. Make sure that you find what this whole value is before you do any subtraction. Or if you have a graphing calculator, you can simply type it in exactly as is, as I will right now. And when I do that, I get x squared is equal to 233.23. Now, notice that isn't my answer. That would be a pretty absurd triangle. In fact, not even possible. To find my final answer, I'm going to need to take the square root of both sides. Now, I've kept this value in my calculator, so I have as accurate an answer as possible. And when I take the square root, I get x is equal to 15.27, which makes a whole lot more sense for this particular triangle.